Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Once again, passengers, this is a train to Main Street. The next train to Manhattan will arrive on the same platform. Once again, this is a train to Main Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Attention passengers, this is a Manhattan-bound 7 train. Manhattan-bound 7 train. Step in, take the closing doors, please.
Of the platform edge as trains enter and leave the station.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train.
Once again, passengers on the platform or on this train is going to Manhattan. If you need service to Flushing Main Street, remain on this platform. The 7 train will be coming here on this platform for service to Main Street. The next stop is Hunters Point.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
Still working.
Hello everyone, the MTA is hiring. We're looking to hire talented individuals as bus operators, skilled tradespeople, and for positions in legal, labor, occupational health, and engineering technology fields. For more information on openings, events, and to set up job alerts, visit careers.mta.org. Join the team that moves millions and apply to work for them.
No, mami, si yo no me muevo de aquí,
There is a train approaching the Manhattan-bound track. Please stand away from the platform edge.
This is Flushing Main Street.
Once again, listen up. This train is going to Main Street Flushing. Once again, this train is going to Main Street Flushing. If you are going to Manhattan, please wait for the Manhattan-bound train. Again, this train is going to Main Street Flushing. Queensboro Plaza will be next. Thank you.
There is a Manhattan-bound Local 7 train to 34th Street, Hudson Yards, 9 minutes away. Approaching the Manhattan-bound track. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Seven train approaching Portsmouth.
This is a Manhattan-bound train. Next stop, Hunters Point Avenue. Stand clear to close the doors. It's a Manhattan-bound train.
Attention everyone. Flushing. Main Street bound 7 and 34th Street. Hudson Yard bound 7 trains will arrive and depart from this platform.
There is a train approaching the Manhattan-bound track. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza.
And clear of the closing doors, please.
Attention everyone. Flushing. Main Street bound 7 and 34th Street. Hudson Yard bound 7 trains will arrive and depart from this platform. Please stand away from the platform edge as trains enter and leave the station.